Hello everyone, I am Shuparna from Magical Healing Arts. Today I have come to tell you because the last time when I came I told about how you can charge the candle, okay, with runes and Reiki. For Reiki you have to take the attunement, but for runes you no need to take attunement. Even for Jivu symbol I told you. So today I'm bringing actually five rune symbols which you can use on your candle, or you can draw it on the white paper or brown paper and keep it under the lamp. You have to add your date of birth, okay, your name, and what is your intention. Write it down on the paper and keep it under the lamp, okay, or diya. You can burn ghee ka diya or simple oil lamp you can do, okay. Or if you want to do on top of the candle, first you can draw on top of the candle your name, date of birth, intention in a small way, and on top of that you can apply your oil. Then you can draw it. You can add, I already told you, you can add the herbs over there also, okay. And crystals also. If you cannot use crystal in pillar candle or in chime candle, you can keep the nearby the candle. When you are burning, you have to keep near the candle. That will also work. So today I am looking over there on my table because I have written over here in my diary, because every time I'm forgetting. You can understand that every time I'm forgetting, so I just wanted to see, so I cannot tell like that, okay. I want to show you my rune box. This is my rune box. I kept out 5 runes from here to tell you. So first I will come in Fehu. Can you see? This is Fehu, okay. I will show you how to draw. Can you see? Oh my god. Now you can see, okay. So what actually Fehu is doing? Fehu is for wealth, prosperity, abundance, rewards, good health, and beginning. If you are going for interview or for exam, okay, you can draw that one in your hand in red color pen, because red color is for power, okay. You draw this one, left side of your body, anywhere you can draw, okay. And then you can go for interview or for exam. Even you can draw this one in your entrance door, no, on top of the entrance door you can draw this one with green color or golden color or red color, okay. Even for with yellow color also. For then this is Fehu. Next I'll come to Thurisaz. This is like this. Can you see? Oh my god. Yeah. This is called Thurisaz. I'll draw this and show you. Okay. This is actually for protection for warning, for decision and luck. So when you are drawing the Fehu with this, you can draw the Thurisas also. Okay. All of these rune symbols you have to draw in your left side of your body. Wherever you want, you can draw it. Or if you want to protect someone, or you want to protect your property, you can draw in front of your gate or under the mat, okay, where you were wiping your feet in front of the door, okay, a doormat. Under that you can draw these thurisas for protection and keep it over there. Even you can draw in the bay leaf also and burn the bay leaf, and then that ash you can throw in with salt. Okay, you mix with salt that ash and spread it in front of your doorstep, in front side, even back side also you can do. Okay, so this is for protection, warning, luck and decision. Okay, next I will come on Ansuz. Okay, can you see? Yeah. This is called Ansuz. Ansuz is for God or ancestral God. Okay. This is actually for communication, wisdom, divine power and message. So if you want somebody you to give you message, you can write that person's name and draw this symbol. It can work like that way also. Actually, if you want to communicate with anyone who is not calling you or not giving you messages, you can do like that way. And divine power also, you can use Ansuz. Okay, I will go to the next one. Next is Gebo. The spelling is G-E-B-O. Okay. You know, this is like X. The easy one. Still I am showing you. This is for gift, hospitality, friendship, harmony, talent and ability. So same way, if you want friendship with someone else, okay, you can write your name, date of birth, that person's name and date of birth. In between you can draw this symbol and intend that your relationship or friendship will happen. Okay. Okay, now this is the Gebo. Next, another one, only one is remaining now, is Unzo. This is Unzo. This is the Unzo. Can you see? Yeah, it look like P, right? This is actually for joy, pleasure, hope, happiness, harmony, happy relationship, well-being and success. In same way, you can draw on top of the bay leaf and burn that bay leaf. You have to intend that your wish will fulfill. You can burn that, throw that ash outside to the universe, or you can burn that bay leaf, take the ash, okay, write your name, date of birth on the candle and apply that ash on top of that candle. Intent, you have to keep your intention that it will work, okay. In this case, in magic, when you are doing in this way, you have to have the strong intention, then that will happen. If you cannot able to do the strong intention, then might be your work will not happen, okay. And if your intention is very strong, nobody can stop you, okay. So this is for this is the Unzo for joy, pleasure, hope, happiness, harmony, happy relationship, well-being and success, okay. So today I just bought this one only. Next, so many people are telling to do different videos in the group. I am not making another group, just I'm staying in this group, in WhatsApp group I'm talking about. I am making the YouTube videos. You can please go over there, subscribe my channel, and if you wanted to know more about from me, exactly what you want to know, you can write it down over there so other people can also see, okay. I want not only this group, from outside this group also people can know and learn something, okay. So see you then, bye.